Selecting with complex criteria from pandas.DataFrame. For example, I have simple df. Can I select values from a for which corresponding values for b will be greater than 50, and for c not equal to 900, using methods and idioms of pandas?
Sure. Setup. We can apply column operations and get Boolean series objects. Or update to switch to new style.loc. And then we can use these to index into the object. For read access, you can chain indices. But you can get yourself into trouble because of the difference between a view and a copy doing this for write access. You can use .loc instead.
Another solution is to use the query method. Now if you want to change the return values in column, you can save their index. And use .iloc to change them i.e. You can use pandas. It has some built-in functions for comparison. So if you want to select values of A that are met by the conditions of B and C, assuming you want back a DataFrame pandas object. df will give you back column in DataFrame format. Pandas GT function will return the positions of column B that are greater than 50, and any will return the positions not equal to 900.
And remember to use parentheses. Keep in mind that an operator takes a precedence over operators such as is greater than or is lower than, etc. That is why evaluates to false. Therefore, if you're using pd.log, you need to put brackets around your logical statements, otherwise you get an error. That's why do instead of, which would result in type error. Cannot compare a typed float 64 array with a scalar of type bool.